Hi everyone, my name is William, and welcome to the next episode of our team's weekly update videos for the 2016 FRC game, First Stronghold. Here's what we've done this week. Okay, so over the course of this week, we finalized our robot's design on CAD software and refined our robot's subsystems. After deciding our strategy and design last week, our CAD team quickly modeled out our robot on SolidWorks. Since last week, we made a few tweaks to the design. For our shooter/intake mechanism, we plan on using a linear actuator to control its angle so that theoretically, we'd be able to shoot from anywhere on the field, whether it's under the low bar or right up against the tower. For our drivetrain, we now plan on having 10 wheels. We have decided to use pneumatic wheels on the front two and back two sets, and Coulson wheels on the middle set after gaining inspiration from West Coast Products' minimum competitive concept robot. Much of our robot needs very accurate manufacturing, so we have shipped out critical pieces to be water jetted. Some of these include parts of our drivetrain and sheet metal for our shooter. For the other components of our robot, we plan on milling them out using the CNC machine we purchased earlier in the fall. In addition, we have only sent out enough material for the practice robot alone because our design and manufacturing teams will like to correct unpredictable errors in the design through testing before sending out the final version to be water jetted. We have also spent time this week refining our rung grabber. The mechanism is now designed to utilize a gas spring system that will automatically deploy once actuated by a separate piston when we reach the base of the tower. On our robot's current design, there's a space between our shooter and the edge of the drivetrain. We plan on utilizing this space to mount the grabber on. Overall, we anticipate our robot to be 100 pounds or under. This will definitely give us a lot of wiggle room in case we want to build even more sophisticated components for our robot. So over the course of next week, we plan on completing the drivetrain and, if possible, our practice robot entirely to meet our week 4 deadline. Once we have a working drivetrain, we'll be able to give our primary driver practice. And once we have an operating robot, we will begin the testing process to troubleshoot our robot's mechanisms. So that's it for this week's updates. Before ending the video, I want to give a special shout out to all the parents and sponsors who are supporting us this season. We definitely wouldn't be here without all of your support. And thank you, especially the viewer, for watching our video. Definitely subscribe to be notified whenever our new videos come out, and follow us on our social media including Facebook and Instagram at CardinalBotics, where we will be putting out even more up-to-date news on our team's progress. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.